So this will be the part 2 from the last one called First AdSense Paycheck. Nag-pin comment ako doon sa last video saying na nakuha ko na yung check worth $540 dated April 4, 2018. And on the same day, binuksan ko yung package at saka ito yung video sa pag-unbox ng check ko. And since I was really excited and my thoughts were like, I hope ma-encash ko na itong check within the day. But no, because you cannot encash a check from a different bank. And if pwede sa mga banks, for example, BDO and PNB, they have this scheme that your check should be deposited to a dollar account. And before that, you have to make a dollar account from the said banks with a maintaining balance of at least $500 or 25,500 pesos. On DBP, the same thing from BDO and PNB, pero di ko natanong if magkano yung required maintaining balance nila. Therefore, wala akong napala regarding this check before ako umuwi. Then I decided few hours or days later na, as this article said, na kapag hindi pa na-encash yung check, nakuha on hand or hindi na-deliver, you can reissue the check after 60 days. So I waited after 60 days assuming that I will reissue it by April 21 or May 21. But during the 60 days of waiting for the reissue, may issued payment na ako via Western Union on April 21 amounting $169 from the Google AdSense. And I claimed ko by April 24, it was my first time to claim at Western Union and wala akong valid ID kasi fresh graduate, but they allowed police clearance. With all the fill-ups needed, I took a picture of it to give you the idea. And then April 22, the reissue button pops up and then the whole process goes through. April 23, refund in progress. Google AdSense reissued my $540 check on May 1